Okay, let's make a start with IELTS speaking part 2. Your topic is describe a daily routine that you enjoy. Please.
I had many daily routine, like taking bath, preparing a meal for children, and sometime I go for living in the school. Children go for living in the school. But here I would like to share my special routine. Me and my friend daily go for a morning walk. It feel fresh my mind. It will fresh my mind. I have been since I have been since last years. Sometime the weather is very hot and rainy. My routine was broken. Sometime my mother will also join us. Um, I feel very enjoy when I go in the grass. Where I bear in footed in the grass. This time I feel fresh, very fresh. I feel very fresh and relax my mind.
Okay, 1 minute and 10 seconds. So you're taking too much time to produce English. Try to practice these topics so that you could speak fluently. And the way you are speaking, it sounds like you have crammed something and you're recalling it from your memory. Try
Yes.
to think and talk English. That'll be better, okay? Let's move on to speaking part 3. Should children have learning routines?
Yeah, of course. It makes the children be very disciplined and punctual. Sometimes they go for school and they very good impact for children. Oh, sorry, for teachers and classmates.
Okay, what are the advantages of children having a routine at school?
I think it's very good because in the school they. I
No. Okay, so pay more attention to part 3, that is important. The way you have spoken, looking at your performance in part 2 and part 3, I'm giving you 5 band generously. If examiner is strict, it can be 4.5 as well, okay? So try to express yourself, and for part 3 especially, you need to express yourself more,
Thank
right?
you, sir.
Thank you so